Please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you will be notified for every new video.
After a long time, Google has finally launched its products Google Home and Google Home Mini for Indian customers. You can get these products through Flipkart at a price range of 9,999 rupees for Google Home and 4,499 rupees for Google Home Mini. You might have seen the unboxing and review of these devices in other YouTube channels previously because India is late to get all these devices. But in this video, I'll do the unboxing and share the overview of the retail unit of Google Home and what is the extra gift that we get as a part of this retail unit. Hi friends, welcome back to Gadgets India. I'm your host CK, and in this video I'll do the unboxing of the retail unit of Google Home, which you can get from Flipkart, and the content of the box and what is the experience being an Indian customer for the Google Home. The retail unit comes in this beautiful violet color box which contains the Google Home and this Jio 4G Wi-Fi router as an additional gift at a price of 9,999 rupees. The Google Home box looks nice. It has all the four sides showing the pictures and all the cues to use the Google Home. At the bottom of the box it shares the price and all the other informations like where it is manufactured and import. Inside the box the content is very nice. You get the beautiful Google Home. It comes with the bottom of two different colors. This one is grey color and there is the white one. Next to this Google Home there are some cue cards and the warranty cards how to use it. Beneath that you get the power brick which needs to be connected to your Google Home to run it. Coming back to the Jio 4G Wi-Fi router, the box looks nice. The MRP is 2,499 rupees, but you get it free as a part of the package. Upon unboxing you will find this beautiful round shaped Jio router. Below that there is this warranty card, this power cable, this power brick and the battery. This one comes with a 3000 mAh of battery and it is heavy after putting the battery. In terms of the physical aspects, it has two buttons, the power button, the WPS button, and on this side it has the micro USB point to connect it to recharge the battery. There are two slots, one for the SIM card and other for the micro SD card. On power on there are three indicators: the battery indicator, the network indicator and the Wi-Fi indicator. That's all about the Jio 4G Wi-Fi router. Now going back to the Google Home, the Google Home looks nice. There are two audio receivers on the top side. On the back side there is the button to on or off the microphone, and below that there is the indicator for the microphone, and the lower part of this Google Home is magnetically attached to the base of the Google Home, and there are two speakers and one passive bass radiating subwoofer in this device. The first connection is smooth. All you need to do is to follow the instructions, and you have to install the Google Home application in your smartphone. It is available in Google Play Store and App Store for iPhone users. Once you on your device and connect the Google Home to your smartphone through this Google Home application, it will prompt for the options like customized notification while using Google Home and customized suggestions on the basis of your preference of songs or other activities. You may go for that one or you may opt for the general setup. In this India device for Google Home, it comes with the additional support applications for Savan, Google Play Music. For news, it supports the Times of India. Other devices, it supports Philips Hue, TP-Link Wi-Fi extender, Netflix, YouTube and Google Chromecast. To get the best out of the Google Home, you need to install all these applications in your smartphone so that you can get the best information, entertainment while using your Google Home. I tried this Google Home for 2 days and this is my overall experience as an Indian customer. Overall, the Google Home is good in playing songs, sharing the weather, updating your calendar, making your notes and other things like timer on, alarm, etc. But when you go for customized ask like play some regional songs, then it doesn't work smoothly. So you have to be specific in terms of your ask, like play the particular song on Ghana or play the particular song on Savan. So in that way you can use. Just have a look at the demo.
Hey Google, good morning.
Good morning. It is 7:51 a.m. Currently in Bangalore it's 24 and partly cloudy. There'll be scattered thunderstorms there today with a forecast high of 34 and a low of 22. Have a wonderful day. Here's the latest news. Continuing NDTV AI's 2:02 p.m. yesterday.
Catch up with him. Andhra Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu sits on a one-day hunger strike on his birthday today for special status for Andhra Pradesh. Chennai journalists to protest outside the BJP office after
Hey Google,
media.
can you update me on IPL?
Kings Shi Punjab will face Kolkata Knight Riders today at 4 p.m. Rajasthan Royals lost to Chennai Super Kings by 64 runs. Today, Delhi Daredevils will play Bangalore at 8 p.m. For other matters, try asking about a particular team.
Hey Google, can you play some song?
Alright, music on Savan. Here you go.
This session is brought to you by Google Home.
Hey Google, next song. Hey Google, what's the news in Times of India?
Here's the latest news. From Times of India top stories at 10:02 a.m. today.
Hello, this is the Times of India radio and here are the top news. India is getting ready to play a larger role in the Commonwealth, a multilateral grouping that could now work very well for India's global aspirations.
Hey Google,
With 53.
what's the news in NDTV?
Here's the latest news. From NDTV AI's 9:56 a.m. today.
The trial in the Kathua rape and murder case begins today. Why is the child's family asking
Hey Google.
the Supreme Court?
What's the weather today?
Today in Bangalore there'll be thunderstorms with a forecast high of 32 and a low of 22. It's currently 30 and partly cloudy.
Hey Google,
Move of
what's the traffic today?
Sorry, I can't help with that yet. But I'm always learning.
transfer the trial out of
Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, play some Kannada song.
I looked for Kannada song on Savan, but it either isn't available or can't be played right now.
Hey Google, play some Punjabi song.
I looked for Punjabi on Savan, but it either isn't available or can't be played right now.
Hey Google, play some Gujarati song.
I looked for Gujarati on Savan, but it either isn't available or can't be played at the moment.
Hey Google, play Punjabi album in Ghana.
I looked for Punjabi on Ghana, but it either isn't available or can't be played at the moment.
Hey Google, set the timer for 2 minutes.
Sure, 2 minutes. Starting now.
Hey Google, stop the timer.
Sure, cancelled.
Hey Google, what's in my agenda today?
Alright, gadgets. Today there was only one item on your calendar. It started at 10:30 a.m. The title is it. One more important thing to note is that it doesn't support YouTube as a partner to play music. So if you want to use YouTube, you have to attach Chromecast device to your smart TV or your regular TV so that you can ask Google Home to play something in YouTube and it will cast the same to your TV. Otherwise, it is a good device, it has its own fun, it has its own benefits, but overall it is a good device for Indian customer to have additional benefit and enjoy listening music and doing your day-to-day activities like making your list, blocking your calendar for some meeting, or using it for alarm or stopwatch, or to get to know about the news or weather, etc. Thanks for watching this episode of Guys India. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel, and while subscribing please press the bell icon so that you will be notified for every new video we upload. Have a good day.